Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me gonna give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headlines. The Rita Marley Foundation helped 3 people with them school fee. The Clarendon police lock up some people. 1 man dead in a 1 car accident. Make sure you follow our YouTube page, Braadkyaas Jamiekan, to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Rita Marley Foundation, RMF, picked 3 smaddy who go college for be the first set of people to get the Rita Marley scholarship where them do for her 75th birthday work on July 5. The people them are Esther Williams, Tony and Howard and Carisha Dixon. Them get picked after them sign up online and them will get money for them education this year. The RMF been set up to help poor people who struggle with them education. But them been a target 2 women who are do nursing and 1 single mother who get pregnant when she been in her teens. The scholarship mean enough to Rita Marley because she been a 1 nurse before she start the music. The Clarendon police say them lock up some people who them think been a do different crime in the parish. Crime gone up in the parish from a couple months back. As according to Senior Superintendent Glenford Miller, who are the head for the Clarendon police, them have put out more effort for look for the criminal them, especially in the Canaan Heights, Havana Heights and Portland Cottage community them. On top of that, Superintendent Miller says some of the criminal them come from different parish, but people bring them come in the community them for the crime. The Kingston West Police say them charged somebody for the double killing were going in a trench town 3 months back. The man at 27 years old, Kimo Francis, who people call Not Nice, and them charge him for shot and kill 23 years old Elvin James and 16 years old Demaya Hall. On June 13, the 2 smarty been their home when gunman shot them up. According to Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, who are the head for the Kingston West Police, them know the name of the other people them who been involved in the killing too, and them a look for them. 1 man dead and 4 other people get hurt after 1 5-vehicle car crash going on the Rose Hall main roads in a St. James Wednesday. Dead a 53 years old Lincoln Blake, who was 1 vendor who come from Wellington Street, Falmouth in a Trelawney. According to the report from the Barretown Police, Blake been a drive 1 Toyota IS van on the Rose Hall main road at Montego Bay around 6:20 p.m. When he reached one part of the road, him swing for a lick in a 1 Nissan AD wagon was stopped on him sudden. After that, Blake vehicle crashed in a 1 Max cement mixer truck where being a travel in a 1 different lane. Then him crashed in the left side of 1 Nissan car. People call the police and them rush with the 5 people and Blake go hospital and Blake dead. 1 member of the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, get locked up with 1 nether smaddy in a Manchester for 1 shooting in the St. Toulis community. According to the police report, around 7 p.m. in the night, 2 men go in 1 shop in the community and shot 1 man. The man reported going to the police and the police set up an operation and catch the soldier and the man on the road. People, but just remember when I said the curfew around from 8 p.m. tonight and on 5 a.m. in the morning. My name is Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.